Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.3 on Zorin OS 18.1. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to PostgreSQL official website. It is postgresql.org. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is 18.3. Click on download or click on this download, both are same. Then select Linux. Then see here, we don't have Zorin OS, but click on Ubuntu. Why? Because open terminal, mod/etc os-release. See, we have installed 18.1. See here, it is based on Ubuntu. Okay. See, its ID is like Debian, Ubuntu or Debian. See, its version code name is Noble. Noble means it is Ubuntu 24.04. Okay. That's why we have selected Ubuntu Linux. See, the PostgreSQL apt repository supports the current versions of Ubuntu 26, 25, 24.04. See here, Noble. Okay. Now we have to run these commands one by one. So copy it. This is going to install :CS certificates. If those are not already installed, Control A, paste it, hit enter. See, both are already newest versions. Now import repository by running next two commands. Control A. Now create this file, and instead of this resolute, we have to give Noble. Okay, because code name is Noble. So now create this file, sudo va, paste it, hit enter, press I to insert mode, then copy entire this text, paste it, then go up third line, remove this resolute, x, press I to insert mode, then Noble, escape, :WQ, exclamation. Now update the packages, sudo apt update. Okay, it is done. Control A. Now install PostgreSQL Server 18. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL 18. If you want to install 17, give 17. It is up to you. Hit enter. See, it is going to install these additional packages on PostgreSQL Server and new packages. See here we have the PostgreSQL 18. Type for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have set the default values: max connections 100, shared buffer size 128 megabytes, and default time zone as per the machine settings. Okay, and this is a data directory. Control A. We have successfully installed PostgreSQL Server. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL Server service is enabled and it is active. You took it. Control A. Now connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have installed PostgreSQL client version number 18.3. This is not the version of the PostgreSQL Server. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL Server, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 18.3. We took it. Control A. Now, first step after connecting to PostgreSQL service, we have to set the password for super user, that is Postgres. First verify list of users /u. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres. You can also get the list of the users by running select username from pg_user. See, we got the same. Okay, now set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password. Alter means the above alter statement executed successfully. Now we will create database. Before that, verify list of databases by using \l or. See, these are the default databases. Or you can run the select dat name from pg underscore database. See, you got the same. Now create database. Create. See, we have created database. Font is Postgres. Give to click, control it. Now switch to this new database by using \c or \connect. Then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now verify list of tables. See, you don't have any tables. Now create table. See, we have created table customer in public schema, and this is the one of this table. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Control it. Now we will create user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to PostgreSQL server with this new user. To exit, we have to use \q -h means hostname, localhost, because PostgreSQL server is installed on this one. -u must be caps, then new username is David. -d means database Postgres. Then provide the password. As I told you, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Control it. Now try to access the database that you have created. See, you are now connected to database bank as user David. Now try to run the query against the table that is there in this database. See, permission needed for table customer, because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges for this object. Exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart PostgreSQL server 18.3 on Zorin OS 18.1. But the process is same on all Zorin OS operating systems. We can't stop or start with Postgres user. So exit from the current user. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is inactive or data. Quit. You can also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect. So exit from the current user. Now start it again. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is active and started 1 second ago. If you want to restart, see, we have restarted. Until now, we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgadmin or dbeaver. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Zorin OS. Exit. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to install configure PostgreSQL server 18.3 on Zorin OS 18.1. Okay. For more database or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.